take a little more guitar if I could. Can I hear ya? I could use a little more guitar in the monitor, sir, if that would be doable. Yeah, that's good, thank you.
Keep on shining, shine on one that's gonna let me blow. I felt the moon of Kentucky, keep on shining, shine on one that's gonna let me blow.
Sounds good up here. Sounds good.
It sounds really good out here.
Okay. Awesome.
Good. Yeah.
Excellent. Sounding good up here as well.
Everybody will just get here. Everybody gets here, but
Yeah. So you're good? You don't need more?
honestly, I mean, I would
Yeah.
listen more.
You definitely will force you to later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can make it sound half that good.
All right, so then we could just slide this stuff back.
Yeah,
like, or...
yeah. So Laura, when you come back up, your mic will be sitting over here.
Perfect.
It's great.
You know,
I feel like I might be getting a little. Yeah.
Patrick, Jamie.
Thanks, Pat.
All right, this is actually a feat of mysterious feat as to how this happens.
Where you? You know what? I'm only gonna put it in halfway because we're gonna be taking her back out.